This brand is made in Mexico by Medea and is sold through distributors in the USA. The Alpic models offer efficiencies up to 16.8 SEER and are available for either 115-volt or 208/230-volt power. They have refrigerant leakage detection but only basic air filters which do not do much to protect the home's indoor air quality. The units are available through the Olmo store on Amazon but require professional installation to get warranty coverage. The brand uses R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32, and the guarantee on the units is not very good when compared to other brands. They do not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.